guys, welcome back to the Distinction Factory where we make our mark. And today we are going to be discussing financial maths. What is the difference between simple and compound interest? So down here, we've got a little scenario of investing 1,000 Rand for 3 years at an interest rate of 10% per annum. And we are going to do a comparison between simple and compound. So let's start with simple interest first. The 1,000 Rand is what we are starting off our investment with. So that is considered our p-value. We also know that we have an interest of 10% per annum. And this goes on for 3 years. So this will be our first year, second year, third year. What we do is in the first year, we are going to calculate what is 10% of 1,000 Rand. And this will give us the interest cash value that will be added to the investment. So this gives us 100 Rand. So in the first year, we take what our investment started off with, and we add the interest that is collected, giving us a total of 1,100 Rand. Then in year 2, we are still adding the same amount to the investment. So we're taking what's currently in our account, which is 1,100 Rand, and we are adding another 100 Rand on top of that. So that gives us 1,200 Rand. In year 3, the same concept is followed. We have 1,200 Rand, and we are adding 100 Rand interest on top of that. So at the end of year 3, we will have 1,300 Rand in our account. This is considered our A value. The interest that we have collected over these 3 years would then be 300 Rand. How did I get to that amount? I took my final amount of 1,300 and I subtracted whatever I initially put in, which was 1,000 Rand, giving us 300 Rand interest that was collected in the investment. Okay, going on to compound interest, our p-value stays the same. Our interest is also staying the same. And the difference between the simple and the compound is that with compound interest, you are calculating a new interest amount that is added into the account based on what's currently in your account. So for the first year, we're going to calculate our interest by saying 10%, timesing that by what's currently in our investment, which is 100 Rand. So at the end of your first year, you're going to have the 1,000 that you put in, plus another 100, which was the interest you collected, giving you a total of 1,100 Rand. But then we have to now calculate a new interest that gets added to our total for year 2. So let's go ahead and calculate our interest here. It's now going to be 10% of what's currently in the account, which is 1,100 Rand. And that gives us a cash value of 110 Rand. So from there, we're going to take what's currently in our account and add the interest that we are collecting. This then gives us 1,210 Rand. Then we're going on to year 3. So we'll have to calculate a new interest amount that is added to our account. So we are going to calculate 10% of what is currently in the account, which is 1,210 Rand, giving us an interest amount of 121 Rand. So for year 3, they take what is currently in your account and they add the interest on top of that. This totals up to give you 1,331 Rand at the end of your 3 year. So just to recap, our simple interest adds the same amount each year, and that interest is calculated on whatever you started off with, whatever amount you initially put into your account. Whereas with compound interest, you are calculating a new interest cash value every year, and you add that back to your total each year. So compound interest turns out a bit more beneficial if it's charged at the same rates compared to simple interest. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video.